Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs with vinegar. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a pot, and some white vinegar. The freshness of your eggs is key for a perfect poach, so choose the freshest ones you can find. Make sure your pot is large enough, ideally around 8 inches wide and 4 inches deep, to give the eggs space. This setup ensures a smooth and successful poaching process right from the start. Now let's prepare the poaching water. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. You don't need too much. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. The vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, keeping your eggs beautifully shaped. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, where you see small bubbles forming at the bottom, but avoid a vigorous boil. This controlled heat is crucial for tender, perfectly cooked eggs. With your water ready, it's time to poach. Carefully crack each egg into a separate small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the simmering water without breaking the yolk. Lower each egg into the water one at a time. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a bit longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. The gentle simmer will cook them evenly. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully remove them from the water using a slotted spoon. Let any excess water drain off for a moment. Place them on your favorite toast, avocado, or whatever you prefer. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then serve immediately to enjoy their warm, runny goodness. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.